auditors that how you are saying that you read all this chapter of Lucan in 276 chapter. Everybody says yes, we read it. But Abraham asked directly to them, there is no chapter in the Bible of this Lucan chapter. How you read it? So everybody was very shameful. But one person sitting in front of him was not raising his arm, not raising his hand. He was sitting very quietly. But the whole church raises their arm. And the Abraham Lincoln says, it's very amazing that everybody is telling me lie. Nobody is reading Bible properly. But I know this one person who is sitting in front of me is a very genius person. I would like to tell you the name of this person. The person was sitting very quietly like this. And Abraham Lincoln says, yes, he is the only one person in this whole church who doesn't raise his arm, he raises his hand. He is not giving response to this wrong question. And he is a exact person what I need. Okay, one person may be there, I am very happy. I would like to tell you the name of this person to you. So he asked that gentleman, what is your name? He says, what? So the mind will always lie you. So don't rely on the mind properly. Try to understand the different mind states, the hiding tendency of human being. Most of the times, most of the Indian patients, they are not going to tell you about their sexuality. They will misguide you. So try to understand everything. In one consultation, in the first consultation, nobody will guide you the exact mental symptoms. You must try to understand these symptoms from the relatives, from the friends, from the father, mother, or from even the husband, wife are there. They are most capable to give you very correct questions. No? So you can take the help from the relatives. They will help you in this manner to give the correct or good mental symptoms for your patient. So the sensations, the modalities, the thermality, and all other physical general symptoms, the location, the direction, and the sensations are also important in the character symptoms. They will give you the good clue. The body will never lie. The body will always guide you to select the correct remedy. So try to understand all these corrections. Then we will go further. We will go for a case now. Okay. Now I would like to show you a very excellent case. First, you would like to see the emergency case or chronic case or critical case? Which kind of case? Yes? Okay. I was remembering that shot again. First he said, then the silence was occur on everywhere, and then again he started shouting the silence word very loudly. The silence that break the silence everywhere. So like that. So today I would like to show you one very excellent case, but it is a very you can say good case for you before the lunch, because this case will increase your appetite to learn homeopathy. Okay. So this is a case of a 34 years old lady who came to me with the complaints of loose motion since last 12 years. But since last 2 years she was having loose motions 4-5 episodes daily, and this time her stool consisted with blood and mucus. As the disease developed, the stool consisted only of blood. There was a lot of complaints passing blood during the stool. Patient went to the doctor who diagnosed her to be suffering from fissure in ano. The first diagnosis was fissure in ano. She underwent surgery for it, but unfortunately after 2 months of surgery, she again started with the same complaints, and this time she also experienced fever, weakness with swelling of lower limbs along with frequent loose motions. Gradually she started deteriorating his health. Then she started having fever, weakness, swelling over lower limbs and frequent loose motions. Few months later, the